Tamil Nadu economy, if the nature of the work is properly appreciated and applied, it will stand in the same relations with the higher facilities the foods is to the physical bodies. First of all, introduction. The economics and social development of status in India are not a uniform. Economically, social development, நம்மளோட இந்தியாவோட ஸ்டேட்டஸ் தான் யூனிஃபார்மிட்டியா இருக்காது. ஸோ ரீஜனல் டிஸ்பாரிட்டேஷன்ஸ் எக்ஸிஸ்ட். ஸோ வெஸ்டர்னைசேஷன்ஸ், regional disparitions, the western regions and southern regions and better of the other regions சொல்லி ஒவ்வொரு regions இருக்கு. Tamil Nadu is a geographically 11th largest populations, the third largest. Tamil Nadu fares well with many achievements நிறைய இருக்கு. It stands to second in terms of contributions of GDP. So third highest in term of per capita income. So investment, foreign direct investments, FDI and industrial output, it has been ranked as the most economically free state by the economical freedom. So in the social and health sector சொல்லலாம். And Tamil Nadu is the performance is better than many others states. So and better than national average in term of health and higher educational, IMR and MMR அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு many more activities also here in Tamil Nadu. So highlights of the Tamil Nadu economy. Growth of SGDP in Tamil Nadu has been among the fastest in India since 2005. Poverty reducing in Tamil Nadu has been faster than the many other states. Tamil Nadu contains the smaller proportions of Indian poor populations. Tamil Nadu is the second largest contributions of Indian GDP. Tamil Nadu ranks third human development index அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Tamil Nadu ranks third term of the investment capital activities 2.92 lakhs crore and value of total introduced industrial output 6.19 lakhs crores. Tamil Nadu ranked first among the states in term of number of factories with 17%, shares and industrial workers 16 shares of a country. Tamil Nadu is placed third in health index as per the NITI Aayog report. Tamil Nadu is the highest gross enrollment ratios of higher education. Tamil Nadu has the largest number of engineering colleges. Tamil Nadu is the emerged the major hub of the renewable energy. Tamil Nadu has a higher credit deposit ratios, commercial and cooperative banks. So has higher ranks first on investment proposed field of MSMEs. Then performance of Tamil Nadu economy. Some of the states like Gujarat and Maharashtra seems to performed well in some of the economical indicators. So Kerala top in literacy, IMR and MMR. In the recent years of Tamil Nadu's performance in outstanding and far ahead of all other states in the spheres of health. So higher education growth of MSMEs, poverty allowances and employment generations also having in Tamil Nadu. Okay. So then the reasons for the relevance of success of Tamil Nadu in the extending social, political and to cover most of the populations. Okay. For instance, the public distributions systems, the midday meals and public health infrastructures have near universal coverage. Okay. So this is one of the Tamil Nadu activities. Did you understand for this concept, ma?